Typo claw machine.
I'm gonna try to go.
Up, go down. Oh, no, later. Ate still playing.
Why when it's stuck in my back cannot go out?
Ah?
When that's stuck in my back cannot go out.
Yep, and then up.
Daddy.
Yeah, nothing. Just try again. Go down again. Down, down. Oh, wait, Kenny. Wait for Ate to finish, okay? Then up.
Okay,
Oh my gosh, she's got two! To the left, hurry up! And then up, up, up. Right. Yay! Buddy, well done. Oh, oh no, you didn't have enough time.
it's ready.